guys, how are you? Thank you so much for stopping by. I'm laughing because I just shoot the picture for the thumbnail and I've realized that I'm a matchy-match with the color of the boxes without even meaning to have this in my mind. So how are you? I hope everything is fine in the place of the world where you are living. I'm really happy because today I received my huge US box and now here she goes again. If you don't know, I don't live in the US and I get to enjoy couple of beauty boxes that are not available for shipping outside US and Canada, and I'm using a shipping forwarding company to do that. I will have all the information about this in the description box below. If you are not subscribed to BoxyCharm and you enjoy what you see on those boxes, I also have a referral code. So this is the base box. It retails for $25 per month plus tax where it is applicable. I do not pay tax in US because I have my warehouse in a tax-free zone. And yeah, you get 5 full-size products. The value of the box, I think they have upgraded, it's up to $175 per month. It always has the red inside, which indicates that you have the base box. And this is the actual theme for the month, so it's the sweet treats, and you have some very colorful candies. I have the variation 40. I have seen this variation on many people, I have to tell you from the beginning. I know what I had in the box because I asked my people from the shipping company to open the box. I'll tell you why in a couple of minutes. So first I got the Terra de Mars body cleanser. I think it's a more elevated notion for shower gel. So this retails for $22. I will never ever pay in my life so much for 150 mils of body cleanser. I don't know if it's going to build me a new body, but I just got a bunch of body showers from Body Shop that I need to film a haul anytime soon this week, and they are amazing and they have better prices and better quantities. And this brand, they say they are bio, Cosmo Organic certified, and also cruelty free and vegan. Okay, I don't know if it smells of something and I am not able to twist it, but I don't feel very strong scent, so I think it's just a regular body cleanser. So yeah, this is the first product. Then I got, yeah, this was my choice. I'm really happy for that. And oh my god, how come I forgot about this? Because I choose it. I forgot that I have this in my box. So this is by Studio Makeup, and this is a tinted moisturizer formulated with hyaluronic acid. So hydrating, firming and youthful effect. And the shade that I have is written here, maybe? No, a tinted moisturizer with a light to go medium coverage formulated with hyaluronic acid to combine hydrating skincare benefits with lightweight coverage and a glowy look. So this is a Boxy exclusive and retails for $35. So it's a nice tube actually, and you get how much? Oh my god, 1.5 fluid ounces, so 42 mils. A lot of product. Actually, it's not that bad. Oh, and I think I can work with this shade. Maybe it's just a bit darker, but here the summer it comes anytime soon. I think I'm going to like it. Okay, so it also has a interesting smell. I cannot say if it's either bad or good, but it's a smell, and I can get some coverage. I don't know if you're able to tell because when I'm filming this it's after 6 p.m. so it's 6:30 p.m. and my room is on the west side, so there is a lot of brightness coming from the window. And guys, I actually was not expecting to get this shipment now. I was expecting to get it 1 week later because I did my consolidation and submitted the shipment last Thursday, 4 days ago. Today when I'm filming it's Monday, and the shipping that I choose, it is the priority through FedEx. This takes between 4 and 7 business days. So it took how much? 3 business days. So I'm really happy that I did not pay for the expedite, for the express FedEx. Another shout out for FedEx for the second month in a row. The next product that I got is by Eloise. So it's a body glow illuminator. I'm actually not even going to open this product because I'm not going to use it. This is a non-sticky and lightweight luminizer that can be applied to all areas of the face and body for a dazzling buildable glow, and retails for $38 US. The next product is a pair of lashes, no, 2 pair of lashes by the brand Monarch Lash. So this Monarch Lash pack. So how much? Flirtation Luxe Cosmetics Monarch Lash Pack. So they retail for $38, and they say they are 100% silk and cruelty free, and they are also coming with a lash applicator. Now, to be honest, I'm not the most happy person in the world when I'm getting lashes, but I'm starting to get better on applying lashes, so I think I'm going to enjoy them. And I also love the fact that they are coming with an applicator. This is how they look like. Really pretty. And the actual applicator is really handy. The reason that I'm happy is because I bought one applicator a while ago and I lost it, so I was in a need for a lash applicator. Sometimes I find it's more difficult to fix your lashes with your finger. And this is the outer packaging. I like the fact that they have some butterflies here and here. And the final product, and the reason that I asked the people from the warehouse company to open my box, is the Natasha Denona Ayana or Ayana palette, and I'm wearing this palette today on my eyes. I'm happy because there are people that they did not get any of those palettes, so the fact that I got this palette, it's still okay. And fantastic pigmentation. Nothing less to expect from a Natasha Denona palette. And while I was playing with this palette, I just remember that I have a smaller palette from Natasha Denona. So look at the difference of the size between the smaller and the normal size. This retails for $25 US, if I well remember. This kind of mini, and this is the mini gold palette, and I think they are going to match perfectly together because this palette has 3 mattes and 2 shimmers, and this has 3 shimmers and 2 mattes. So together I have a pair of 5 mattes and 5 shimmers. So yeah, really happy for that. Actually, I added on the other palette, the more brighter one, the Jubilee I think it's called. So I'm gonna have it on this month as an add-on. Okay guys, so the total value of my BoxyCharm Base box for the month of March is $181, but I'm going to deduct from that amount the body shimmer that I'm not going to use, so this was $38. So do the math and let me know how much value I get. Anyway, it's up to $150 US, which is not bad. Now let's go ahead and see what I got in the premium box that retails for $35 US per month, and it has 6 full-size products. And actually from last month they now allow you to customize 2 products. However, I was not able to customize 2. They have 2 options. So in the first option, when I went on their website, I think everything was already sold out, so I was able only to customize 1 product. About I'm excited. This is how the box looks inside. And of course the size of the box is bigger. Now, yeah, I was afraid that I don't have the leaflet, but I have it. So On this, I have the variation C2104. 211 is the variation. The first product that I have, and I think this is the most like meh product from the box, is by the Incredible. And this is a crystal ball roller gloss duo. The glossiest roller ball to date has land, which has a crystal roller ball to cool and soothe lips. Oh, I thought it's for nails. Okay. The glossy formulation is infused with crystals to stimulate lip circulation and wake up the chakras. Enrich with nourishing and hydrating properties, and this retails for $24. I'm not sure if I'm going to open it. Those are the products. The second product that I got in the April Premium Boxycharm box is the Mirrored Hydrating Toner, and I love that I finally have a toner that is coming with a sprayer. A ultra hydrating alcohol-free toner instantly balances skin natural pH while lifting impurities to enhance the benefits of treatment that follow. Sodium PCA helps replenish lost moisture, while chamomile and cucumber extracts soothe the skin, and retails for $35. So really pleased with this product. Okay, now I see that my face is even brighter. So yeah, the sun is playing with me, is playing dirty with me. The next product that I have in my premium month is by Dose of Colors, and I think Jackie Naturals got the same lip product. So this is a long wearing creamy eyeliner. Ah, it's not lip. Glides on easily, delivering a transfer resistant high coverage matte finish. Built-in sharpener is included and retails for $15. Oh, okay, so this is the sharpener. I opened it from the wrong side. Oh my god, so they have the actual sharpener just to sharpen your tip, because this is a automatic liner. This liner would have gone really nice with the look that I have today, but I didn't know, so yeah, love the color. Dark Roast is the shade. Okay, so happy. Actually, this is my second Dose of Color product. I have a lip liner that I got in my March box. This is by Fenty Beauty. I even don't know what is it, but when I see by Fenty Beauty, I'm excited. So this is a soft matte. Okay, let's see the actual paperwork. Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer. Woohoo! In the March box, I got the Pro Filter foundation. How happy can I be to get two Fenty products in 2 months, in 2 consecutive months. It's a frosted bottle, which I think is glass. And this is the actual consistency of this product. It's creamy. So now it's mixing with it tinted moisturizer, so it's not really concluded, but I'm going to try it in an upcoming try-on video, like you know that I'm going to do. So this is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer, a universal makeup primer for all skin types. This shine-stopping, pore-diffusing primer smooths the way for better foundation application and long wear with an instant retouch effect, and retails for $32. The things are getting better. This is the Wonder Beauty Do Not Disturb Overnight Repair Concentrate, and it's sealed, but I'm going to open it because I'm going to keep it. Love the packaging. It contains 1% retinoid. Wonder Beauty Do Not Disturb Overnight Repair Concentrate, formulated with 1% retinoid to amp up skin natural's renewal cycle and help diminish the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, uneven skin tone and texture. Squalene and peptides hydrate skin and improve elasticity, while dragon's blood helps soothe skin during the day. This retails for $68 US. Really happy. And now for the star of the show, I have another Natasha Denona palette. This is the Coral palette, and this I was customizing it on the premium box. So, ooh, she's even bougie. She's coming in another packaging, because I think this is not made for BoxyCharm like the Iulia palette. So this was made for BoxyCharm, and I kept it upside down, so they didn't bother to put another outer packaging. She's so beautiful, and she reminds me about the Sunrise palette. I think I have similar colors on Sunrise palette. Maybe, yeah, not the same, similar. So love it. 1 month with 2 Natasha Denona eyeshadow palettes. It's an excellent month. The Natasha Denona Coral eyeshadow palette retails for $48. Yeah. So the total value of my premium BoxyCharm box for the month of April is $235. So yeah, guys, this is everything for today. This is the BoxyCharm Base versus BoxyCharm Premium Battle of the Boxes for the month of April. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, I have my unboxings later in the month or in the upcoming month, because I do not get to receive them on the same time with the people that are living in US. However, I'm still really happy and thankful that I can, for the moment, to afford paying the fee for shipping, forwarding, and get those wonderful products here on my European address. So if you have something to chat with me, I will welcome you to do that on the description box below. And if you are interested on more unboxings, reviews and makeup tutorials, I have plenty of this content here on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. I also want to let you know that some strange things are happening with my channel. I have friends that are constant subscribers, friends and supporters of my channel. They have even been unsubscribed for my channel, or their notification were removed. So in case that you don't see any new video from me in like 1 week or so, go ahead on my channel and check if you are still subscribed or if your notification was removed, because I'm uploading at least once or 2 times per week. So if you don't see or hear anything from me, it means that something strange. So yeah, this is everything for today. I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch, and other than that, I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'm gonna see you again on my next video. Bye you guys. Mwah.